Alright, it's a bit late in the day today. It's the day after we got her all wired up. I just wanted to come back by and try out a couple ideas that people sent me on how to potentially get her started today. So, first things first, I'm going to pop the steering wheel back off. Go. Disconnected. Pop that steering wheel back off just so that I have a little bit of room to work. And that one, push that one again. Alright, so if I'm turning the key that way, it's going to spin a gear like that. I'm just going to push that way. So we're going to move this back out there. See if that does anything to help me. So the first idea that was said was put that into the correct position, which that feels right. So now that's on there in the correct spot. Let's just hook up our batteries, see if we're getting the same noise that we had before, along with any. Well, so far we're not getting the noise because there's a vibrating noise coming from in there. Some positive. Right, and negative. Once again, no noise. That's a good sign. The gear indicator, cool, it's not popped on. Let's see if we get anything when I do this. No, I don't have anything when I do that. That's an issue. Oh, I'm an idiot. The reason why I got no reaction there is because it's not plugged in. Alright, that's plugged in. Now, let's see if we get a reaction from the key. Yes. Oh, I don't think that. Wait. Yes, I'm getting fast. Alright, so that was step number one. Still not getting any shift indicator, which is frustrating. I don't need that on. I'm not getting that when it's plugged in, which is odd. Let's just go ahead and put you where you're supposed to be. If I can remember how it goes in. It's like this. I twist it. Yeah. Alright. She's relatively where she's supposed to be. That's all that really matters. Oh, stop on there for a second. Oh, there we go. That's the reason why. Reduced engine power. Why? Why do you have reduced engine power? Source four-wheel drive. I got that. Understand that. Low coolant level. Sure. Yeah, makes sense. Why do I have reduced engine power? We'll find out. Do that. See if she starts. She wanted it. She wanted to start. Alright, let's go. Give her a second to breathe. Hopefully that wasn't too much. Alright, so she will turn over once and then nothing. Sounds like fuel to me. Alright, so I bought fuel filter and well, the fuel filter water separator combo, and a bleeder screw. So today, plan is that I'm going to, if I can get this to stay still. No, I can't. Stay there. I'm going to disconnect the hoses here, and I'm going to reconnect them onto the filter head and see if I can't get the priming system to prime the truck. See if maybe that's the problem. There. Alright. This one here. It's not so easy as just popping it on, though, it looks like. And now here's where things get jank. Shut up. Where are you? You're right there. Shut up. So I don't have the actual water separator anymore. I only have, or the connector for the water separator. I've got the filter, and if I can slide this thing down in here, we're going to go ahead and connect this filter up. And then I'm going to see, well, if this O-ring would stay seated. I'm going to see if maybe, just maybe, I can cheat the system by using the that bottle of starter fluid there with an O-ring on top of it. See if I can shove that in the opening, get that to work. This wheel well liner is extremely annoying, and I'm not keeping it anyway, so we're going to cut it. Wow, it cuts very easy. That connector out, and that one. There we go. No more wheel well liner. And look at that. Perfect view of our filter. So that's my thinking there. I can shove something under there. Maybe I can get that to work. Put that up. And then that's not enough. Do it like that. All I need is a little something more. That should work. Just trash out of the bed of the truck. Get that speaker out of there. Maybe be just enough to go under here. Alright, it kind of holds there. There's some fuel. Let's try priming some more. Oh no, we're leaking at the bottom. Let's see if maybe it'll hold enough prime to start. Oh, there we go. Woo! We got her started. It was just a priming issue. That's all it was. All right. Yes. So now we're gonna just disconnect those hoses and put them back into the loop right there, and she should start fine. Now the bypass is all hooked back up, and in theory, she should start. Hi. Let it prime for a second. ran out of fuel again. Got some extra diesel. Probably should have put a little bit more in there, but it's about 2 gallons. And then I've got the little piece for the bottom of the factory fuel filter right here. So we can, oh, the starter fluid is already gone. I think I put it somewhere else. I'm not quite sure where. But all that needs to happen here is this screws in right there. First thing we're going to try is putting more fuel into the tank, because I didn't even think about it. She is a little bit low on fuel. She's right about a quarter tank, but I was told that can cause the fast to not prime. So I completely forgot about that. I should have known that. I used to sell these things. So we're just simply going to put some more diesel in, so that way she has an extra 2 gallons and maybe she'll prime. All right, that should be just about all of it. Not all of it, but pretty damn close. All right, she's been priming for a few minutes. Put some extra fuel in her. Let's see if maybe she starts now. Nothing. Give her a little bit of go juice. See if we can't convince her to wake up. Let's go. Good morning. It's time to get up. There we go. Come on, you got this. You got this. Stay alive. Come on. You got this. Let's go. Good morning. I know you can do it. Come on. You're good. What's that? Brake fluid? Probably brake fluid. Yeah. A little bit of brake fluid. No big deal. I'll tighten that up. Fan's a little bit rough up there. I'll fix that. Come on, big girl. There we go. She cleaned up. Good morning. It's been a long nap, hasn't it? Smells clean. Hell yeah. Man, that fan really does need to be replaced. Let's go ahead and take this box off. Let's check and make sure we don't have any CELs. I doubt we do. Yep, nothing up there. Let's see if we still got the reduced engine power. I don't think we do. I doubt we do. Normally comes right before that one. Let's see. Oh, we do. We do have reduced engine power. Gonna have to figure out what's causing that. She's probably in limp mode, which is no big deal. Let's just... Alright, throttle works. There's that turbo. Alright, we're going to let her run for a minute or two and then just cycle some fuel through the system and let her wake up. And she's been sleeping a good while. But I'll bring you guys back right before I shut her off, and then we'll get to work on what we're doing today. Alright, and now we're just going to see if she starts up real quick on her own this time. That just prime for a second just to give us the best odds. Oh yeah. Like a dream. Like a dream. Alright. That's all I needed to see. Cool. So, next item of business for the day. Gotta hoist that back up and get it ready for paint. Yeah, this is so stupid. I should really shift that bottom tire there, but I'm not going to. Oh, I probably should. Not going to. Refuse to do it. Which way's up? This way's up. No, that way is down. This way is up. So I'm gonna paint, I kind of want to paint those two. Well, these aren't that important. I'll just paint all of this. It's not gonna be a 12. None of these are gonna be a 12. Nope. 13 or a 15 is what we're looking at there. It's an 11. Yes, I need to just go ahead and invest in a new little toolkit. This one is missing everything on the face of the earth. Alright. These brake lines look like they're probably good, so I'm going to leave these, at least for the time being. Now, how am I supposed to get that one out? Extension. I do believe this is bent, so that gives me enough room. I don't like that I hear you moving up there. Now kids, this part right here is also extremely dangerous, so do not be doing this at home, please, because I don't want to get sued. Now if you do try to sue me, you'll probably lose. Okay. Man, that really does not want to come off. There we go. Just needs a little bit of... Nope, not that one. That one just really doesn't want to come off. Same with that one. Neighbor's looking at me like I'm crazy. Off you come. Come on. There we go. There we go. All right. I'm not Sam. I'm not 6 slow cat eye. I'm not gonna actually prep this and do it all nice. So just know, if you're doing this at home, please, if you're looking for a good outcome, just clean it properly and then prep the surface for paint, unlike what I'm doing. We went from a really, really, really ugly brown rusted rear axle to now really, really ugly, still rusted but you can't see it, black axle. Boom. It's magic. Alright, now we're going to let that dry for a little bit, and then I'll come back in and I'll spray what's left of that can on as a second coat.